If you love a good deal, Shark Rotator Powered Vacuum is waiting for you this Black Friday. See why it's worth grabbing now. Hey there, today I'm super excited to talk about the Shark Rotator Powered Vacuum. This isn't just any vacuum, it's a game changer, especially if you have furry friends at home. Let's dive in. The Shark NV752 Rotator Vacuum is a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning pet hair. With the Shark TruePet upright vacuum, you can say goodbye to pesky fur on your carpets and furniture. This beauty isn't just for today, it's the best vacuum for pet hair in 2025, scoring a whopping 50% off. Need something versatile? The Shark Lift Away HEPA vacuum is your hero. It transforms from an upright to a portable canister, reaching every nook and cranny. Say hello to the most powerful pet vacuum cleaner, ready to tackle any mess. And here's the kicker, you can save 50% on the Shark Rotator Powered Vacuum right now. Don't miss out on a cleaner, pet hair-free home. And here's a fun thought. If Shark Rotator Powered Vacuum could whisper Black Friday secrets, I'd be all ears. For now, I'll enjoy the great features. Secure your Black Friday deal on Shark Rotator Powered Vacuum now. Limited stock available, so click to buy. Save 50% today on this amazing product.